to say that you completely finished doing something in Japanese? In Japanese, you can attach しまう to the te form of a verb in order to say that you will completely finish doing an action. Now you might be a little confused as to how this works, since attaching しまう to the te form of a verb can also mean that you did that action by accident. Usually, based on the context, you can tell which meaning is being used. For example, if I say 寿司を全部作ってしまいました, it is clear that it means I completely finished making all the sushi, since this wouldn't really be something that you will do by accident. Also, this usage is usually used with verbs which you can do in your own free will, such as to make in this case. Also, since this usage implies completion, words such as 全部, which means all, are frequently used. But once again, which meaning is being used still depends on the context. For example, if your brother asks you, "You were going to make sushi today, right? Do you want to make it together?" And you respond with, ごめん、もう寿司を全部作ってしまいました. Then it means, sorry, I accidentally made all of the sushi already. In this case, he wanted to make it together with you, but you made it already, so it was accidentally made. Please follow for more Japanese tips.